Welcome to Black's Artisan Design. Today we're talking about the Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1 utility knife. Ooh. Push button, release. I like that. I like the handle, sturdy. Screwdriver, Phillips, flathead, 1/4-inch drive. I like that. Ooh, I get that to come back down. Oh, it's got a stop too, look at that. I like that. Let's see how we get the blade in here. Looks like you just push this in. Oh, there we go. Snaps right in. Wire cutter, box cutter, razor blade. Boom. How does she cut? Nice. Can you really put an extra? People keep telling me you could put an extra blade in here. I guess you could. Is this what this retention clip's for? See that? Yeah, I guess so. That looks like a little holographic for an extra blade. Weird because it's on this side. But it looks like you could store the blade over here on this side. I don't know. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's exactly what this little retention's for. Yep. Saw a lot of videos talking about that. Didn't really understand it. Like to hear that little pop. Boom. Nice retention clip. Looks like that would be a little bit hard to get on and off, but this feels like should go. I say we're going to put it through our paces. Where we like to make furniture and memories.